Welcome back, guys. This will be the second installment of Will She Run? Like I was saying, I got my buddy's tank put in. I siphoned some gas into the tank, so I know that should get good gas. I cleaned it out and whatnot. All good to go. Fuel lines are ran in, fuel pump line, or the electric wires are ready to go. And I know she still works. I don't know if you guys will be able to hear it because it's significantly quieter than my Oasis, but you can definitely hear it kick in. Line is getting pressure, so there's fuel going through the lines. Let's see what happens here today. Let's hope and pray that this is my problem, because I have checked almost everything else. I've looked for grounds, vacuum lines, stuff that I might have touched in the engine harness wiring. Everything is fine. I put brand new plugs into it. One thing I do have to do, I'm going to check a coil pack. One of the coil packs is looking kind of rough, and I do have a spare here, luckily, so I'm going to change that over. Still got to look at my computer. I haven't done that yet, so I'm not sure, because I'm thinking this is what it is. It's just a fuel pump. So we're going to try this first. So let's see what happens here. Okay, so fuel pump is on. Computer and everything else is on. And fingers crossed, guys. What's going on there? Oh. I don't think that's the problem either, boys. I don't think that's the problem either. Uh-oh. Not good. Not good. So, what in the world could be causing her from doing this? What could be doing this? What could be doing this? Well, I'm getting very stumped. I don't know what to do anymore. She's not firing for some reason. I have spark. I have fuel. I don't know. I'm wondering now, maybe it is my computer fraud. Because I'll tell you where I'm at with this now. I've changed my coil packs. I've changed my spark plugs. I've checked all my grounds. They seem to be all fine. I'm still questioning the oxygen sensor wiring, but I don't see that being a problem. I've tried 3 different fuel pumps. I've tried my Oasis inline fuel pump. I've tried my old inline fuel pump that I don't even remember the name of that. And I even tried put my buddy's tank in here with the stock Camry fuel pump. That's still not working. I figured the factory pressure regulator might have been doing something, because I noticed that there wasn't much fuel pressure on the engine side of the line. That didn't do anything. Never changed nothing. I don't know. I don't know, guys. So guys, I think I've got it narrowed down a bit. Maybe. I'm not 100% sure yet. But I've noticed that I have good fire on cylinder number 1. Cylinder number 2 is pretty weak. There's no fire on cylinder number 3 at all. And number 4 is also pretty weak. So my coil packs are shot, I'm guessing. That's what it seems to be. And I've taken them off and had a look, and they are pretty rough. But I mean, I've ran worse. But I don't know. Maybe it just might be that certain spot. Might be just a certain way it rusted, and it worked last year, but it sat here all winter. So it might have been the winter that finally did the the coil packs in. So like I said, I got wicked spark on number 1, 2 is weak, 3 got none, and 4 is weak. So I got to order some new coil packs. So it's going to be a couple weeks before this thing is going to be running. I will be buying from Rock Auto. It's the cheapest place to get it. You'll probably be looking about a week and a half for it to show up. So yeah, it'll be a couple weeks guaranteed. Week and a half minimum, at least. Because the way that I am, as soon as the part shows up at the door, I'm gone out through the back door trying to get this thing running. So it'll be another week or so, but stay tuned, guys. I'm pretty sure I've done so much, and I'm starting to narrow it down. Like I said, I swapped out 3 different fuel pumps, two different tanks. That wasn't the problem. I tried a different standalone harness. That wasn't the problem. I brought out my booster pack, just trying to keep the power to it and whatnot. I took out my factory fuel pressure regulator that come with the kind of factory one. I took that back here because I figured that might have been clogging up the line a bit, but that's not it either, because there's still a lot of fuel pressure. I checked all my grounds and blah 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 blah. So this is where I am too. This is where I'm too. She got fire, but it's weak, and I'm thinking this is what is causing the problems. So we're going to have to wait for a bit until those can come in. They're already ordered, so hopefully it won't be too long. But that's the only thing that I can see, and I was talking to Zach myself, and that's the only other thing that he can think of. So guys, this is where this video is going to end right now until probably next week or later on when the coil pack shows up, or coil packs, sorry, and we'll try it again. I'm not giving up on this car. I'm not doing it. I know this thing can run. I know it's only something small and stupid. So we'll get her there. We'll get her there, boys. Anyway, stay tuned. Keep building. Stay safe. There's still going to be more. And Derby season is kicking back around. So there's going to be a new vehicle to build soon. I'll let you guys know that much. There'll be another new vehicle coming. But anyways, guys, stay tuned. We'll see ya.